everybody, and happy Wednesday. Hope you are staying dry. It is raining cats and dogs here in Kearney. I'm getting some questions about the TEMA and the IEP and goal assignments for Module 5. So I'm hoping this help video will assist you. Couple things. First thing you want to do is do the TEMA assignment. And you'll see that I'm asking for chronological age. Okay, where it says remember to round, you need to fill out on the TEMA and here, let me get this up real quick so you can see it as well. Okay. So when I'm asking for the age, I'm asking you to figure this. And when it says round up, when you're doing testing, I still want you to put the day, but remember, I'm only wanting really the year and the month when it comes to figuring out your data. So remember, if the days are plus 15, you round up a month. If your days are 14 and less, you leave it the same, okay? All right. Then you have to figure basal and ceiling. Okay, so if you look at the protocol, remember, basal is 5 correct, closest to the ceiling. Okay? I will give you a hint. There is more than one basal here. Okay? So you want to go with the one that is closest to the ceiling. All right? Okay? Then you need to figure raw score. And remember, raw score, anything above basal is considered correct. Okay? Look at your questions. Look at your information on didn't do it. Identify some strengths and weaknesses. At least 3 each of strengths and weaknesses. Then you're going to fill out your data. I have included the TEMA tables right below to help you assist with that. Okay? So that is the TEMA protocol. Now, with the TEMA protocol, you'll notice that there is information that you'll use on your next assignment for goals and objectives or benchmarks with your present level of academic achievement performance, okay? So you also want to make sure you have this information up as well, okay? So if I go back and look at the math IEP assessment. Okay. I do have the TEMA with the voiceover and the template for the IEP. Okay, so here's the IEP template. Okay. First thing you're going to do is write out some student strengths, and they can be the same that you've listed. Excuse me. They can be, similar to the ones you listed on your TEMA protocol. They also can be from the information here that I've given you on the didn't do it math. Okay. Then you're going to do a present level of academic achievement and functional performance. So you're going to write about how the student's disability, which we're saying he has a specific learning disability in math, and how that affects a child's involvement and progress in the general education curriculum, okay, and then like what services. So you're basically saying is like you're summarizing how the student is doing. And since we're focusing on math, that is what you can focus on, okay? Now, the Boilermaker template is just to help you and guide you when it comes to writing information about a student, okay? So since we're just doing math, all you need to worry about is, this area right here, okay? You might include scores, okay? Like the TEMA scores that you've done, okay? You might include also what are some things that he did well on, okay? All right. But just basically the PLEF is a summarization of how the student is doing. Okay, oops, excuse me. Okay, so you have that, then you're going to do measurable goals. Okay, so you want to have one math goal, okay, and then write 2 either short-term objectives or benchmarks, okay. And again, here I have the math standards if you want to use a standard. There's also the goal sheet. Okay, so if you look at the goal sheet, okay, these are some examples of goals. Okay. Oh, and I apologize that my benchmarks is spelled incorrectly. There we go. Okay. All right. If you have questions, like specific questions, please email them to me, and I will do my best to answer them for you. Some things I can't give you like an exact answer because that's the answer to the assignment, and so it kind of defeats the purpose of me giving you the assignment to begin with. So please don't be discouraged by that. If you ask for like specific questions and I don't give you like a specific answer, I'll try to give you hints on to better help you. But remember, IEP writing and assessment writing and figuring that, it is a process, okay? Again, stay dry and have a great end to your week.